Hey there, digital dreamers. Ready to turn your hustle into some serious cash? Well, grab your favorite beverage and get comfy because today, we're serving up a delicious recipe for success. But before we dive in, let me share a little joke to kick things off. Why did the digital entrepreneur bring a ladder to the office? Because they heard the stakes were high and they wanted to climb to the top. Welcome, folks. If you're tired of stretching a dollar and dreaming of financial freedom, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of digital entrepreneurship, exploring how you can make $10,000 per month in 2024. Stay tuned as we uncover the best side hustles and strategies to boost your income. Let's kick things off with high-ticket sales, the VIP section of selling. Imagine dealing with premium products or services like real estate, premium coaching, or agency services. Your earnings aren't limited by a fixed salary. They're based on your sales success. While it's not easy, with patience and persistence, you could elevate your monthly income to $10,000 or more. Remote closing is a budding space within high-ticket sales, offering flexibility and lucrative opportunities. Next up, digital marketing services. Whether you start as a freelancer managing social media or dive into running your own agency, the earning potential is exciting. With businesses increasingly reliant on their online presence, there's a high demand for skilled digital marketers. Upgrading from freelancer to agency owner can significantly boost your monthly earnings, with top agencies netting their owners $30,000 or more. For the ultra-creative, Etsy provides an opportunity to turn your passion into profit. Whether you're crafting handmade items or offering digital designs, Etsy allows you to showcase your creativity and generate income. With the right marketing skills, you could surpass the average annual earnings and join the ranks of successful Etsy sellers, bringing in $70,000 per month. Becoming an affiliate marketer is like being a matchmaker for products and customers. By promoting products through your unique affiliate link, you can earn commissions for every sale. While it requires skill in generating traffic, affiliate marketing offers varying earning potential. From beginner affiliate marketers earning $100 to $500 per month to top earners pulling in $10,000 to $100,000 or more, success depends on your ability to drive sales. Do you have a special skill set you're eager to share? Launching online courses can turn your expertise into a lucrative business venture. With platforms like Teachable and Kajabi simplifying the process, you can create and sell courses to a global audience. By providing valuable content and building an audience, you could reach earnings of $10,000 per month or more. In a world driven by content, freelance writing offers flexibility and the potential to earn a steady income. By honing your writing skills and specializing in a niche, you can attract high-paying clients and boost your monthly earnings. Whether you're writing for websites, blogs, or publications, the demand for quality content ensures ample opportunities for freelance writers. All right, folks, it's time to make those dreams shine on YouTube. But remember, success isn't just about hitting record. It's about engaging with your audience, delivering value, and having a blast while you're at it. So, grab your camera, unleash your creativity, and let's make some magic happen. Well, folks, that's a wrap for today's show. If you enjoyed our journey through the world of digital entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to Win Blueprint channel for more tips, tricks, and laughs along the way. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop us a comment, and share the love with your fellow dreamers. Until next time, keep hustling and keep winning. Cheers!